Hello, my name is Daniel Cherry, and I go talk about the comparative to different celebration in different country. Um, the celebration is San Valentine Days. Um, the different country is Colombia and USA. Um, San Valentine Day is an important celebration in Korean country. Um, in mm, it is the day of love and relationship, but in some countries it is more important than other. In the USA, it is celebrate a celebration for February 14. Um, While in Colombia it is celebrated on September 17th. Um, okay, the special food in Colombia uh, is a romantic meal, and USA is similar romantic meal, but the special food in Colombia is ocean food because it's a more expensive food in this country. But in the USA, the more expensive food is meat. Meat is more expensive in this country. The clothing in the day is in Colombia is casual, very casual. Jeans, uh, shirts and shoes, but in USA is more formal, um, um, because is the the day is more important in this country. Okay, um, the places celebrate in Colombia in cinema, restaurant, house. Um, Whatever places. But in the USA, is, places celebrate park, house, restaurant is similar because in the park you have uh, a camping is very good in the USA. But in Colombia is similar because um, uh, it's more part in the country. Um, the important traditional in USA is important traditional right or letter love, um, chocolate, flower, but in Colombia not important. Traditional is flower, chocolate, not not important. Um, Family and friend activity. Um, the family and friend activity, you dance, uh, talk, sing, but in the USA is similar. No different, not different. The winter continent. Um, the winter is in Colombia is sunny. This day is sunny, but in USA is clearer. Important in your life. Um, share one with family, friend, talk, sing, dance, is impacted uh, day. But thank you.